This heat wave is driving me crazy. Yesterday I thought it would be cute to go out in a lace front. Worst decision I've ever made. Now, I don't know whether it was the bald cap method or the got to be glue, but I was sweating my ass off so bad that I just felt like taking off my wig and walking home with it in my pocket. It was ridiculous. Tell me how you have been wearing your hair in this crazy heat. Needless to say, I've now learnt my lesson and I'm not going to be wearing a lace front until the weather cools down. Instead, I'm going to be opting for eye-part wigs, which are so much more breathable. There is no lace, no glue and no bald cap required. And the best thing of all, no leave out, so your hair is still 100% protected. My name is Sherelle and this channel is all about hair and beauty. So if that sounds like something you are interested in, I would really appreciate it if you could show support to my channel by subscribing. The wig that is going to save my summer is by Hurela hair. Inside the box I got a bunch of free stuff. I know me and you both love something free from time to time. The texture of this unit is a jerry curl, and you know what? I didn't even get to try a jerry curl on my own hair back in the day, so this is my first time trying out this sort of texture. For the cap construction, we have 5 clips around the part, 1 comb on each side, 1 comb at the back and adjustable straps, which basically means that if you're standing in the middle of a hurricane, you are not losing this wig. Look at how natural that V part looks. Those teeny tiny holes is what is going to allow us to have no leave out. Almost like lace, but on a slightly larger scale. Now say hi to Wigisha. This is a brand new one that I bought. My last one was horrendous. She was covered in hair dye. I think we'll call her Wigisha 2.0. Using a wig head makes a massive difference when you're styling wigs, because unless you have eyes at the back of your head, it allows you to have a 360 view. And to secure our unit in place, I'm using T-pins, 1 on each side of the part and 1 at the back, so that we can limit movement and get to detangling. And if you're looking for a unit that is thick, full and beautiful, you're looking right at it. Look at how full those ends are. From root to tip is literally the same thickness, because no one wants a thin scraggledy wig, especially if it's curly. Here's a closer look at the curl pattern, and we're gonna ignore my dry hands. Starting off with a spray bottle full of lukewarm water, I'm going to fully drench the hair. For this step, you definitely don't want the hair damp or even slightly wet. You need it to be absolutely soaking. Then I'm going in with Mixed Chicks leave-in conditioner, and this stuff is expensive, guys. I'm not bougie or anything like that, but this is my favorite leave-in conditioner. It sets the curl amazingly well without leaving a thick, greasy residue. I'm putting this product all over the wig, starting from root to tip, while making sure that everything is evenly distributed. Now, I have a little secret on how to get the hair looking extra full. I start off by putting the hair in 3 separate sections, 1 on each side and 1 at the back. Now, starting on the side, I then part the hair into even smaller sections and go in with my tangle teaser and brush through it really slowly. This will help set the curl even more. And once I'm done with that extra small section, I then put a clip and carry on until I reach the top. Once that bit is done, I move on to the next section. This is so much better than just brushing the hair down. That's going to make it flat and give you a lot less volume. My own hair is not very dense, so I've tried this method on my natural hair and it works. This is exactly what we're looking for. Curls that are separated and defined with minimal clumping. This is what is going to give us the body and volume. Once the hair is dry, these are the results. Big, bouncy, full hair, exactly what we're looking for. And there you go, a cute jerry curl without having to spray that S curl all over the place. Let me know if you have had a jerry curl before. I've heard so many horror stories from that S curl. Please fill me in. Let's get into installing this unit. Look at Wigisha, guys. She is so happy. I'm sorry, girl. This wig is too nice for you. I'm gonna have to have it back. iPart wigs are very easy to install. Once you have it on your head, you want to grab one side of the unit so that we can get as much stress. No, you do not need stress from your unit. I meant to say stretch. So that we can get as much stretch as possible to make sure we get that iPart nice and straight. You can also undo the adjustable straps at this point if the wig is a little bit tight fitting on your head. The main goal is to ensure that you can see your scalp. And using my Afro pick, I go in and make the hair even bigger by picking out the roots until I am satisfied with what I see. Here is a little close up on the part. It doesn't look natural as of yet, but to get there, just follow these simple steps. I'm using a hairspray. The one that I'm using is by Bedhead, and I am spraying this all over the part. This is going to make the hair a little less silky. We need the hair to be rigid so that we can back comb it. And the instructions are basically in the name. You want to comb the hair backwards. This is going to fluff up the roots and hide that unnatural looking part that you get in the package. And just for a little comparison, this is the side that I have backcombed. It looks like the hair is growing out of my scalp, and on the other side you can see a little bit of the clips and it just looks unnatural. And here is what it looks like with both sides done. Completely undetectable. Absolutely gorgeous. Now you're thinking that iParts just stop there. No, you can also put it on a side part. You can have any braiding pattern you like, but since mine is going straight back, it's going to allow me to put this unit in a side part. So just like we did before, you put on the wig, adjust it to what part you want, secure the clips down, and there you go, 2 wigs in one. Such a beautiful unit, and you can wear it in the sun without sweating your ass off. My hair is 100% protected underneath because we have dookie braids. We didn't need any glue, no tape, no lace front, and no lace required. And most of all, it looks natural. All the information on this hair will be down in the description box below. Have you been feeling this iPart trend lately? If you like content like this, I post every single week. So I'd really appreciate it if you'd subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.